What's up, guys? Welcome back. Today I'm going to be cooking up some spare ribs on my Weber Kettle. I'm going to be smoking them at about 275, between 250 and 275, using pecan and cherry wood. You want to start by trimming these up. Now these aren't competition grade, so it doesn't have to be perfect, but pretty much just want to trim off up to the bone, kind of square it off a little bit. It's just easier to cook that way, easier to cut when it's all done. We want to trim this off here and pull the membrane. This is really easy to do. Just kind of pull the skin up and stick a spoon. The easiest way is an upside down spoon. Just push on it and you can pull it all. I'm going to be using a butter knife to do this. I'm making 2 racks today. One with this Carolina pit powder, really good stuff, check it out. And I got the Famous Dave's. I love me some Famous Dave's barbecue ribs. I like to use olive oil to bind it, but you can use whatever kind of binder you want, or no binder. You want to get a nice coat of salt and pepper, or all-purpose rub if you have that. Get a nice coating on it, be generous. You want layers of seasoning, layers of flavor here. Salt. A little bit of garlic. We're going to hit this rack here with the Carolina pit powder. Get a nice coating on there. I really like this Famous Dave's. It's got a nice sweet kick to it. Want to get the edges over. Don't be scared of the flavor, guys. Cook this generously. And then you can kind of make sure you get all the edges. Nice coating. This is the Famous Dave's rub. There's a Carolina pit powder. I'm going to let these sweat for about 15 or 20 minutes while the grill gets hot. We really only need to light about 4 or 5 coals here just to get our fire going. Alright, just put the few coals underneath that. We have our cherry and our pecan, and this should all ignite on its own. Get a water pan in here. Make sure it helps keep our ribs nice and moist. I'll also be spritzing. Vents are opened all the way up, and let this stuff get some air. Put the lid on it. Let it get up to temp, guys. We're looking for 250 to 275. Smoke's rolling. We're almost ready. Around 240, I'm gonna go ahead and get these on because the heat is still gonna continue to rise until I get it where I want it. Here we are, smoke rolling. I'll come back and check on these in about 2 hours, hour and a half, 2 hours, see where we're at. I want to kind of rotate them to make sure we get even cooks on all sides. Stay tuned, guys. Alright guys, it's been about 2 hours. Wow, look at those. You can see the bones are just starting to pull back. I'm gonna give these guys a little bit of moisture and flip them, turn them, so we get some heat on the backside. You can use a spray bottle. I like to kind of just rub this, just rub it on there. You don't really want to rub it actually, just kind of let it moisten it up. You don't want to rub the rub off. This is a concoction of applesauce, apple juice, and apple cider vinegar. Gives a really nice flavor to these ribs. Helps retain the moisture and the color. Oh yeah, it's looking great. That. Guys, we've been running pretty steady at about 250 for the last 3 hours and I don't know, about 3 hours and 20 minutes. Wow, look at those. What we're gonna do now, oh yeah, we're getting there. What we're gonna do now is just wrap these bad boys in some brown sugar and with some brown sugar and butter and foil and let them go for another hour or so on here, and we should be done, guys. Pull these bad boys off. Face down. Ooh. Oh yeah, they're done. They're there. I like to double wrap these so that wow. Oh, double wrap them because they're so big. So wrap one side, flip it over. That's good. On there. Okay, and same thing with this. Butter on the foil. A little bit of brown sugar. Did a lot on the other one. I love brown sugar on ribs. A little bit of brown sugar, and then get this up next rack. Woo! Hot. Alright guys, these are looking good. Alright, well, I'm going to wrap these, put them back on the grill for, I don't know, half hour to an hour or so. And they got to be tender to the probe, which they may be very well. Yeah, but I'll probe them once I get them put back in there. Typically I like to run them to about 205 to 210 degrees. That's how I know they're where I want them to be. So, anyhow. I'm going to put these back on there regardless of what the temp they're at right now. I'm going to put them back on there for about 15-20 minutes, I think, and let them finish up. I'm going to sauce them at the end. Stay tuned, guys. I'm loving this. I think these are going to come out really nice. Guys, so it's been like another 30 minutes. I'm probing at about 200 degrees, but I don't really care much about the temp. I care about the tenderness of the probe, and these are done. I'm going to go ahead and take them off and sauce them up, let them rest a little while and dig in. Wow, look at those. Total cook time is just under 4 hours on these bad boys. Just sauce these bad boys up. Look at that. Look at how the bone, the meat just pulls back. Let's see how these bad boys turned out. Look at that smoke ring. Nice. You see that bend? Let's see. Look at that. Right off the bone. Clean break. Alright guys, I'm about to enjoy this rack. Thanks for watching. If you found this at all helpful, please like and subscribe and comment down below. A lot of girth out.